Hey everyone, welcome to Joyful Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this succulent, delicious, easy to make garlic butter tilapia with shrimp. To start off, I have my tilapia and shrimp that's already washed and cleaned, and I'll be seasoning with onion powder, garlic powder, etc. And as usual, everything is linked in the description box below. So I'm going to give this a good mix and set this aside to marinate while I work on the rest of my ingredients. So here I have my herbs as well as my vegetables, and I have some scallions, garlic, fresh parsley, carrots, okras, and sweet peppers. I know a lot of persons don't necessarily care too much for okras. Of course, if you don't like them, you can go ahead and leave them out. So in my skillet, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And now that it's heated to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and add my fish and shrimp. So I'm going to saute these on medium heat because I want to get a nice sear. So I'm going to give them about a minute on each side. And just look at that beautiful color. Nice and golden. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing my fish and shrimp. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon more or less of butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and saute my scallions as well as my garlic. So I'm gonna give that about a minute for all the wonderful flavors to release. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some beer. So first, I'm gonna add it to the pan that I seasoned the meat in to get all that flavor that has been left behind. You don't necessarily have to use beer. You can use white wine, chicken stock, fish stock, or even water. So once that comes to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots because they're a lot more dense, which means that they take a longer time to cook. So I'm going to cover my pot and give them about a minute to start cooking. So after about a minute, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my veggies. And I'm going to give them about a minute as well to cook. I want my vegetables to basically be cooked before I add my fish and shrimp, because the fish is already thinly sliced and shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, so I don't want to overcook my meat. So after a minute, I'm going to just go ahead and nestle my fish and shrimp back into my pan or pot. And guys, just look how lovely this dish is looking already. And it's so easy. It's a perfect weeknight meal, I'm telling you. So I'm going to cover my pot and allow them to cook for no longer than a minute, because as I said before, my fish and shrimp is basically cooked already before I added them back to the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some fresh lemon to make the flavors pop. Lemon goes well with seafood. And I'm going to go ahead and add my parsley. And guys, just look how lovely this dish is. I can't wait for you to try it. And there you have it. Easy, delicious, healthy garlic butter tilapia with shrimp. The perfect 30-minute meal or weeknight recipe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can know whenever I upload every week. I'm on the road to reaching my first 1,000 subscribers, so please share this video as well. I'd really appreciate the support. Follow me on all socials, which are also linked in the description box. Until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.